everybody. Welcome. Cypress Pillar here with Dr. Brian Nell, and coming into frame in about 3, 2, 1, Misha! So, this evening we got a little box in from Sugoi Mart, and for those of you that don't know or haven't heard of Sugoi Mart yet, here's your opportunity. Fantastic little shop coming out of Japan with fantastic different foods and treats, and so we got ours and we wanted to see what all was in it, and we wanted to share with you.
Mostly because a lot of our friends and family aren't, but a lot of our friends and family aren't close. They're, a lot of you guys are far away. Like, you're in all different parts of the world and the US, so we can't bring you here to hang out with us on a Sunday. So we thought maybe we would celebrate, and this is also a sneak peek, right?
Sneak peek. We've got some projects coming up, very exciting additions to the Cypress Pillar modality of everything, and we wanted to share what some of the things that you could maybe see in the future would be to play along with that.
You should probably do this.
All right, so one super duper trusty X-Acto knife, sharp enough to cut, hopefully not sharp enough to puncture anything. So well taped up, so that's good.
So for those of you who are really loving or have always wanted to try some of the different Japanese products, Sugoi Mart is a really good company to order from. They ship direct from Japan, and they are really awesome at getting all the seasonal treats that might be a little hard to find here in the States.
So there we go, one open box. Set that off to the side.
All right, so one of the reasons why we ordered this, the goodies inside, is because we had, here, do you want to do this one?
Oh, this is good.
You're going to have to get up and go show it close.
Yeah.
Look at Vanna White it.
So I'm gonna Vanna White. So here's the first thing we got. We thought we would give a try. This is no animal, no fish, no MSG, no alcohol, samurai ramen. So we've got some ramen here. Again, for those of you that may not know, Misha and I are vegetarian, which is, fun for us, but sometimes difficult because we can't always try all of the wonderful foods. So here's an opportunity for us to try some wonderful ramen. So we thought we would give that a go. It's going to take a little exploratory here to figure out the instructions, but we'll figure it out.
And one of the reasons why we investigated this, we wanted to order this, is because we love sharing vegetarian food with our friends and our family. We both really enjoy eating vegetarian, even though I know that different folks may not always agree with it because of all sorts of reasons. We really enjoy it, and we like to show people new and exciting ways to try some of the veg foods. So we figured we would poke around and see what kind of products from Japan we can bring in, perhaps in a place here where we could share it with people.
Yes.
Hint, hint. Go.
All right, what else do we got here? We've got some sparkling wine Kit Kat. Now, for those of you that may not know, the United States Kit Kat is different than the Japanese Kit Kat because Kit Kat in Japan is owned by Nestle. Here in the United States, it's a different company. Because of that, they have all sorts of fantastic flavors in Japan, and this one is sparkling wine.
Can we try one?
I think we should try one.
Okay.
I think we should.
It's really pretty, too.
And they change constantly. So you may have one, an odd one that you really like, may not be around forever because they are always changing, always making new ones. So
we also have peach parfait. Can we do the other one too?
Yeah.
What is this one? Go for it.
I don't
Okay.
know what that
So we have
is.
peach parfait, and this is apparently wheat biscuit, I think. So I'll bring these up to show you all. So you can tell which flavors I picked and which ones Brian picked. He was all about this. This is some sort of biscuit type Kit Kat. So for those of you that are local, it's really hard to get these types of flavors in the States at all. You have to special order them. So we're hoping to have them here in Sarasota for people to enjoy and try. Oh, should I have said that?
Yeah, that's right. All right. And so let's, there you go. Here's one for you.
Oh, they're a bit melty. So they're minis. They're super tiny. They smell really good. They smell really, they smell kind of like a strawberry. What does it taste like? Is it good?
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Oh, they're so cute. They're a little bit melty. They came all the way from Japan to us, so yeah, they're a bit melty. Okay, I'm game. Oh, that.
Yeah,
That's really good.
it's really good. Kind of sparkling. There's a little strawberry flavor to it.
If you guys were here, we would share them
strawberry
with you. So here's some sparkling one Kit Kat for you. Imagine like a bubbly in your mouth with it almost tastes a little bit like bubble gum, like strawberry bubble gum, with a little bit of like a little bit of like zest. So there you go. Enjoy your strawberry.
And this one
lime Kit Kat with me.
has a Santa on it.
Yeah, these are probably
So these are
a bit old, which is okay.
probably from Christmas, and that is okay. All right.
So, yeah, give me the. He's gonna eat more.
I would otherwise eat more. And then of course we do have one more ramen that we were going to try. Spicy vegetarian soy milk ramen. So again, this is another one of the ramens, and for those that really don't know, ramen is really an important part of the Japanese cuisine. I mean, there's
noodles in general, right?
noodles in general, but there's an entire museum dedicated to the history of ramen. And it's not just the dry noodles. I mean, there's hundreds of different ways of preparing it. So, got another one to try here. All right. And what else do we got in the box?
We have a drink.
And the rest we got.
That is the glass. So one of the things that is really amazing when you go over to Japan, and most of you guys probably know, we've gone 6 times. We go over as much as we can. We've been 6 times, and it's really one of our favorite places to go. And one of the really fun things about going there is the seasonal food and drink. Then again, Sugoi Mart. Oh, and we're not being sponsored. This is just like we're doing this because we needed research for an upcoming project here at Cypress Pillar. Wink. So we ordered some some seasonal food and drinks, and that's kind of part of the fun. One of my favorite things when we go over there is trying that seasonal cuisine. So we have, okay. So here. This is Bear Honey Cider.
Bear Honey Cider, which the package is amazing because everybody knows that the best way to convince a mama bear that you're friendly is to run up and cuddle the cubs, and that way the mama bear knows that you are safe and friendly.
We do not endorse that. That is not an official Cypress Pillar. He has endorsed.
So you can see snuggle and cuddle the cub there. So that looks mighty fun.
Okay, you've got, this is the Okinawan orange, I think.
This one is an Okinawan soda, which I'm very excited to try. It's a sour orange soda drink. Been to Okinawa twice, and for those that know, that is a small island down in the south, but very much its own cuisine, very much its own things going on. So here's a soda from there.
And then we've got Mitsuya melon soda.
So Mitsuya makes an amazing bunch of different types of drinks, and we decided to try the melon soda. So we've got some melon soda.
What I'm most excited about is this guy, and we'll try it. You want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Fanta grape yogurt. So we're going to taste the Fanta grape yogurt right now.
Fanta.
And again, one of the reasons why we're trying these things out is because we are launching a special project here where we will have some of these available, hopefully for you all to try, so that if you're not able to get to Japan, you can have a little taste of...
Endorsed by Maya, apparently. Maya is endorsing that, so that's good. We got...
Of the Japanese cuisine. All right, you ready for this?
All right, let's give this a try.
I'm very skeptical. I'm not... So during the summertime, one of the things that we have found a lot of time when we've gone over is almost like creamy sodas. So I have a feeling the yogurt drink's gonna be creamy.
All right, ready to give this a try?
You first.
Whee! All right. It smells awesome.
Oh, wait a minute, hold on. It smells like soap. It's. Can I have a different one?
No, we're gonna go for this one. This one looks amazing.
Okay, so my sense of smell is a little bit like funky because of some of the stuff that I was on after the car accident, but it smells like soap. It smells like soap to me. What does it smell like to you?
It smells like grape drink, but in yogurt.
Okay, there you go. All right.
So if anybody has been to Japan, you'll know in the morning they have yogurt as with their breakfast.
If you go to a hotel within.
Yeah, if you go to a hotel or if you go to 7-Elevens, they have these little yogurt cups. It tastes just like that. It tastes just like the yogurt cups. So.
Okay.
That's a fun little thing.
All right.
Yeah.
I think that would be refreshing in the summer. So imagine like.
Yeah. So.
Kind of a creamy, very grape, and it's got like the bubbles that you would get from something like a Sprite or a ginger ale. Good. All right. Do you want to try another one? No. Okay.
Well,
so
for another one.
So clearly we're not super great at live videos, so we're still learning, as well as unboxing. But we thought you guys might find it enjoyable and kind of fun to join us for a quick Sunday afternoon. Oh, let me see. I'm trying to see if I can see the comments. Oh, it's not letting me. Hold on a second. Oh, thanks, Kat. Kat says I look super cute today.
Excellent.
Thanks. This is my woken up at 2 a.m, only got 4 hours of sleep last night look, because I may be completely exhausted, but I can wear a nice dress. So we're hoping to do more of these because they're super fun, and we just want to share like some of the magic that we bring into our everyday lives with you all. And this is one of the fun ways that Brian and I really enjoy having fun, is by having cool, fun things to try. Wait, I think he should try Kit Kat biscuit before we go.
All right, let's try a Kit Kat biscuit.
All right.
I'm cautiously optimistic. So we did have a Kit Kat once, which was buttered potato.
Oh.
And it really messed with you because it tasted like buttered potato. But the texture wasn't buttered potato.
We had cheese too.
The cheese, cheese, many different textures. Buttered potato really kind of messed with my brain a little bit.
So these are minis.
All right, let's give this a try. Now,
I'm betting it's gonna taste like a Triscuit. And if you're local, we do have like a giant bag of these. I'm not saying that, they may be floating around, but. No.
Well, it smells good.
You just went for the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
There is no taste.
It has like kind of a taste of like a wheat biscuit.
Yeah. Oh, how did they do so?
Very good.
So.
No, that's good. I
when
like that one.
So when you eat it, there's like no taste, and then all of a sudden you kind of get hit in the face with like Triscuit, but in chocolate.
Yeah.
That is a curious taste. Definitely one to experience.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna mess that. And that's part of the fun when you get to play with things like this, is definitely finding things that are horrifying for you in terms of taste. So yeah, so for those of you that jumped in and watched with us, thank you. We thought it might be nice to just kind of hang out on Sunday afternoon, and stay tuned for some exciting news maybe in the next couple weeks. We're working on a secret project here that totally doesn't involve things like fun snacks, teas, drinks, amazing things like that. And do you want to try that one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do one more.
We'll do one more. You excited about that one? So
this is the honey bear cider. Oh, it smells like honey.
Huh.
It seems like
Wow, it smells really honey.
Yeah, like you can smell it
I can
from
smell
over
it
there, right?
from over here.
And it seemed like when I was trying to figure out what drinks we should get, there were a lot of honey drinks. So a lot of times there'll be a drink that's kind of like exciting for the season. That is honey soda. Oh my god! It tastes like mead. It tastes like a honey mead, but without the alcohol. I hope. I don't know. Maybe without the alcohol.
Yeah, that's a honey soda. That is good. That is really good.
So there you go. Drinking yogurt soda, drinking honey soda, hanging out. Probably gonna have a massive sugar high at the in a little bit. And oh, we should say something because we're representing a healing arts center. So you might be wondering, like, holy crap, that's a lot of sugar, and you probably shouldn't have that. But moderation is important, right, Doctor Brian?
All things in moderation. One of the things that will definitely help keep you moderating and not doing it all at once is the fact that you do have to order it.
And they're tiny.
And they are tiny. So portion control through tiny Kit Kats, or for the fact that you can't just run down to your soda machine off on the corner and purchase any of these.
And sharing with a friend too.
Yeah.
So we are all about staying nice and healthy, but we also think that you should have some fun in your life. So thank you all so much. So thumbs up on the sparkling wine Kit Kat. Honey soda and biscuit Kit Kat is a no for me. Thumbs up on the yogurt. How about you?
No, I'm good with all of it. I'm good with all of it.
Brian will eat anything.
Yeah.
I'm really sad, regretting that I didn't order the eel soda now. So next time. So we love you all very, very much. Thank you all for being part of our family, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day, everybody.
You can entertain them while I bop over.